Do you need to manage the renovation phase yourself? Relax. You can actually bypass all the hassle and stress associated with renovation. There's a solution that eliminates the need for out-of-pocket renovation expenses, which can often be unpredictable and costly. As a result, your hard-earned savings remain secure. You have the option to move in right after receiving the keys, or you can choose to rent it out and start earning rental income immediately. The solution is Turnkey Properties, a fully renovated house that's ready for occupancy as soon as you receive the keys. These homes are typically bought from companies that specialize in restoring older properties. Who are Turnkey Properties suitable for? Number 1. Owners desiring a hassle-free experience, simply needing to bring their luggage to move in. Number 2. Buyers who don't have the time, ability, or interest in home renovations, which can be demanding in terms of time and energy. Number 3. Buyers with different plans for their savings, such as other investment opportunities, who don't want to spend a large amount on renovations. Number 4. Investors aiming to rent out their property right away. However, Turnkey Properties have drawbacks too, including being older properties where not all old furniture are fully restored, and the style might not suit everyone's taste. Great news! A new project has similar benefits to Turnkey Properties and does not have the drawbacks previously mentioned. It's in the federal territories of Kuala Lumpur. This newly launched project, currently under construction. This project is fully furnished and offer over 3 choices of interior design styles. This means you can choose the interior design style you prefer. It features top quality branded renovation materials. And the second great news is the renovation costs are covered. Book early and get 2 years of maintenance for free. If you would like to know more about this property, please let us know in the comments section. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more insights. If you found this video helpful,